Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Explaindio. So let's get started. I already created a project. So in this video, I will show you how you can add animation or slide. Okay. So as you can see, this area add animation / slide. Click this area. Then click add Explaindio slide. So you can see the default Explaindio slide in here. Just slide package which is come with Explaindio. So choose any animation slide whatever you like. So I'm choosing this character businesswoman. Okay, so you can find this slide area, you can find variation of this slide to the left area. So I'm choosing this and click this add single. Then add. Come to this area and delete this sketch by hand animation. Let's take a preview. Now if you want to edit this animation, so close this animation and come to this slide area and then click customize this animation. Okay, so you can find the texts in here. Just text area 1 meet. So let's take a preview and this is the meet text. Okay, close. So if you change this meet, you can just write whatever you want. So I'm not changing anything. I want to change this name, so let's change this Tina. Okay, and she loves reading. Okay, but she is worried, so I'm just changes and I write not happy. Let's take a preview. Meet Tina. She loves reading, but she is not happy. Okay. Now again come to this area. So if you want to change the text color, choose any color. I'm choosing this deep blue. You can increase or decrease the font size. So I'm choosing 60. So you can see the text color will change. So you can change your text color from this area. Now come to this image area. So if you have image or if you don't have, don't worry, come to this gallery area and you can find various image. So if you want to add, so you can just add image. So you can see the image will automatically add in here. Let's take a preview. So the image will add in here. Oh, that so this is a background image, so you can see this image background of this display. So let's customize this animation. So if you want to change the area of this image, you can come this area X offset and you can change the position of this image. And you can also change the y-axis of this image. So and you can scale this image. So if you increase the X scale, so image will also increase. If you decrease the X scale, image will decrease. So Y scale, so X and Y is automatically adjust. So let's take a preview. So this background image not look so good with this animation. So come to this point and remove. Let's take a preview. Okay, again come to this customize animation. If you want to add video, you can add video from here or remove video from here. If you want some animation, default animation, Explaindio will also offer you some default animation. So come to this animation area. So come to this animation area and you can see animation 1. So as default this option will off. You can turn it on and you can see the various animation like this one. You can add another animation like this one. It's not so good. You can also add this one. You can also add the rainy effect. You can also add the snow effect. So if you want you can add. So I don't want any animation, so I turn it off. Now come to this outline area. Let's take a preview first. Okay, now come to this outline area and choose a color and see what happens. Our background outline is, our background color will change. So make it sky blue or make it yellow. Take a preview. Our background color will change. Now outline area 2, come to this area and choose a bright color for this. I'm choosing this green one. Let's take a preview. You can see Meet Tina's background will change green. So you can play with this option. So in here we have 4 outline area. You also change this red, blue. Take a preview. This one red, this one blue. Okay. So customize this area. So I hope you will understand this 4 section of this customize area customize animation area, and if you have any queries please comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Learn for Fun.